This is an introductory video to the online platform GoBoard. It's a useful tool for one-on-one collaboration, so between students working together or between a student and a mentor or tutor. Simply go to goboard.com and you'll get this main web page with some information on the platform and some useful instructional videos that go a little bit beyond what I will show you in this video here. So I highly recommend checking those out. It's very easy to access the GoBoard platform. You don't need a login. However, that limits us to 30 minutes of use on the GoBoard per day. So one of the workarounds is simply to switch off between the partners. So it's as easy as just clicking the blue button, create a new GoBoard, and it will load. And it's a little slow at the moment, but you'll see it bringing you to the web page. And I'm going to allow it to access my camera and mic. Okay, so here's the spot right before getting to the GoBoard, which is just making sure that the camera and the microphone work. You can also invite someone to join you into the GoBoard by sending a shareable link or inviting them via email. Or you can enter the space now and invite them later. And what will pop up is an invite someone tab, and the same window will pop up. So the way to access your tools is simply by right-clicking, and you'll notice that this pie chart comes up, or this pie with these different items. And the one that kind of it defaults to is this pen. And you can choose different colors and very easily navigate between those, as well as access to different thicknesses. And the eraser button is easily accessible as well. So very simple, straightforward, easy to use illustration kind of tool that could be very useful for making diagrams or working through biological concepts or yeah, really any other concept where you need some space to diagram things out. If you click on More Tools, what will pop up are these tabs and different options of more items, including a calculator, a graphing calculator. In the Chemistry tab, there are these bond drawing tools. So if you're working on a problem set where you need to work through some chemical diagrams, chemical interactions. Oops. You easily have access to these tools for drawing those out and working through some problems that way. And very easily you can clear your board, clear the page, rather than individually clicking each of those lines. Another super useful thing is being able to import a PDF, including Microsoft Word documents. And so simply by clicking More Tools, Import, Export, and then Import, you can navigate to wherever your document is. So for example, I can upload this document here. And what's nice is it can actually, it gives you the option to choose to load in one page or multiple pages, depending on what it is you're working on that day. So if I select all pages, it will choose all of the document, or I can select a single page, which is what I'll do here. So I'll insert that second page, and I hit insert, and it will load the document in. And then if I hit my select tool, I can move this document around, move it to a corner so I have a little bit of workspace on one side and can read the, the document pretty well on the other. And you can use your line tool to highlight different sections, right, or underline if you need to. And then with your select tool, um, it's usually pretty easy to move things around. You can also write little notes to yourself and emphasize particular parts of the document that you need to focus on. And then when you're all finished, if you go back to more tools, you can actually export your edited document with all of the notes that you've included in the GoBoard. And when you want to clear the page, you can remove everything and start with a clean slate by clearing in this right-click option next to Eraser. Definitely recommend checking out the different tools that are available under More Tools, especially if you're needing a good space for math, chem, or physics. There are references as well, including these excellent equation tables that you can load into the GoBoard space and have as a reference whenever you need. Takes a little bit of time to load, but you have access to those as well.